last video of polynomials chapter. As you can see, this exercise is optional. That means you can leave this exercise also, but still there are some hot questions in this exercise which I want you to know. And you should have the basic knowledge what happens if a higher order thinking skill question comes in your examination. So that is why it is not from the examination point of view, especially the cubic polynomial, but still we will do it. Let's start with the first question. Let me just explain. A general cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. This is a standard quadratic cubic polynomial, children. And we also know that there are three relations. That is sum of roots alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is minus b by a. That is the coefficient of x square upon x cube. There is another relation, that is product of sum of the two roots taken together, beta gamma plus gamma alpha, which is equal to c by a. That is the coefficient of x upon the coefficient of x cube. And the last is alpha into beta into gamma, that is product of the roots, which is minus d by a, that is minus constant term upon the coefficient of this. So question number 1 will use this formula, which we have already studied in the previous video. So first, verify the numbers given alongside of the cubic polynomial below. Are there zeros? So first thing is we have to verify. So check here, children. I will just do the first question for you. The second part you can do it on your own. This is the quadratic cubic polynomial which is given to you. We have to check that whether half, 1 and minus 2 are the zeros. So in place of x, I want you to put the values 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 2. So this will be 2 and 2 get cancelled. So 1 by 2 2s are 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. So you check and take the example. Take the LCM 4. So it will be 2 minus 5. 5 into 2, right? Children, will we take LCM and 2 into 4 again. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 5 2s are 10, minus 10. So you will get 0. Similarly, when in place of x you will put 1, again you will get 0. In place of x, if you will put minus 2, again you will get 0. So if we get that p of x, you remember, if p of x is coming out to be 0 for any particular value of x, that is k, then we say that k is the 0 of the polynomial. So yes, we will guess half, 1 and minus 2 are the zeros, 3 zeros of px. Now after this we have to verify the relation. Let's just find out. So first is alpha, beta, gamma, product of roots. So let's half into 1 into minus 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So answer is minus 1. So check. Can I write minus 1 as, children, minus 2 by 2? Why 2 by 2? Because I know this is the value of d. So d by a. That is the coefficient of constant minus constant term upon coefficient of x cube. This is the first relation. Then the second one, alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is half plus 1 plus minus 2. Again, let's take LCM 2. So this is 1 plus 2 minus 2 2s are 4. So this is 3. This is minus 1 by 2. So if we get minus 1 by 2, we know that it is minus b by a. Again, what is minus b? Check coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube. Similarly, alpha into beta into gamma is equal to, what is the relation? First let's find out. Half, okay, this we have already done. Sum of product of the roots, we have to do this. Okay, let me just undo a little bit. All right, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. This is what we have to find. Now this is half into 1 plus 1 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into half. So again, check what are we getting. Half minus 2 plus 1. Again if we take, sorry, minus 1. Again if we take LCM 2, this will be 1 minus 4 minus 2. So this will be 6, so that is minus 5 by 2. So you can again say minus 5 by 2 kya hai? That is C by A. That is coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cubed, children. So this is what is your relationship. Similarly, you can do the second part on your own. Now, let me show you the second question. Again, it is based on the same formula which I have already written on the board here, whiteboard here. It is told that we have been given, let me just erase the board and then I'll read the question for you. In question number 2, the cubic polynomial, you have to find a cubic polynomial with the sum, and sum of product of sum means alpha plus beta plus gamma is 2. Then sum of product, 2 zeros taken, alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha minus 7, and then product alpha into beta into gamma as minus 14. So obviously from this formula we know that this is minus b by a, children. This one is what? You can already see c by a, and this one is what? Minus d by a. So if you see very clearly, can I say that the value of b is minus 2k, value of c is minus 7k, and value of d is 14k, right children? Minus minus and will get cancelled, and a is obviously k. That is why, क्योंकि ratio है, right? So let's put it here in our cubic polynomial. So it is kx cube minus 2kx square minus 7kx plus 14k equals to 0. So this is our cubic equation, and if you have to write, if you don't put it equal to 0, this is your cubic polynomial. 2x square minus 7x plus 14. And I've already told you the significance of k, that why the k is written, because k can be anything, any multiple. Okay children, so that is how you will do question number 2. I hope I am very clear with it. Alright, let's move to the next question. Question number 3. If the zeros of the polynomial are this, again these are the 3 zeros. Again we know how to proceed in this question. जैसे ही zeros पता चल जाते हैं तो वो x की जगह डाल देंगे और polynomial को equal to 0 कर देंगे. So first is p of a minus b we will find out, right children? Or we can also do this question by the, this is a little lengthy process. Rather than doing this, we can also do this question. Let's take 1 0 as this, other as this, and gamma as this. Now you know that alpha plus beta plus gamma, right children? This formula we have already studied while using, let's find out कि क्या है, क्या ये फॉर्मूला होता है. अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा इज माइनस बी बाय ए. सो पुट करो a माइनस बी प्लस ए प्लस बी is equal to, what is minus b by a? If we check here, minus of minus 3 by a is 1. So check, b and b gets cancelled. 3a is equal to 3. So can I say the value of a is 1, children? Okay. Similarly, if you have to find the product, alpha into beta into gamma, again हमें इसका फॉर्मूला पता है. alpha into beta into gamma is minus d by a, that is minus 1 by 1. So put the value. alpha क्या है? a minus b, a plus b is equal to minus 1. Value of a we already know. So this is 1 minus b into 1 into 1 plus b. You remember the formula again, we can use a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. So 1 square minus this is minus 1. So 1 minus b square is minus 1. So we can say b square is 1 plus 1, right? So b square is equal to 2. And what is the value of b? Please remember, this is where the mistake happens. 99% children will write the answer only as plus root 2. So I want you to write both the answers. That is question number 3 for you. Question number 4 is again not that difficult. Two zeros are given. Suppose this is alpha, 2 plus root 3, and beta, that is 2 minus root 3. So can I say, children, x minus 2 plus root 3 into x minus 2 minus root 3 is the factor of the polynomial, whichever polynomial is given to us. So again, remember, just open x minus 2 minus root 3, x minus 2 plus root 3. Now if you see clearly, can I make it as an identity, a minus b, a plus b? So it is a square minus b square, children. Can you open it? X square plus 2 minus 4x, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 3. So what is the factor? X square minus 4x minus 1 is the factor of the px which is given to us. Now you know how to find the next factor. ये factor हमारे पास already आ चुका है. अब आप long division करोगे. Long division करके can you find out the quotient? Quotient will be the another factor, right? This is x to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. So children, you don't have to wait. जैसे ही quotient आएगा, remainder automatically 0 आएगा. You will come to know that whether you have done your question correctly or not. And फिर क्या करना है? Quotient को आपको मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग से फैक्टराइज कर देना है. और ये क्योंकि ये बाय क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है, यानी कि इसकी डिग्री जो है वो 4 है, तो दैट इज व्हाई देयर कैन बी मैक्सिमम 4 फैक्टर्स. तो 2 फैक्टर्स तो उन्होंने दे ही दिए हैं और 2 फैक्टर्स और आप निकाल लोगे कोशेंट को वो करके. सो यू विल कम टू नो हाउ वेदर यू हैव डन योर लॉन्ग डिविजन करेक्टली ऑल्सो इफ द रिमाइंडर हैज टू बी 0 सिंस इट इज द फैक्टर. Okay, so I want you to do this question on your own. I have already told you the trick of the question and the part where most of the students make mistake. They forget to put this brackets, and that is why unke sare signs gadbad ho jate hain. All right, the last question of the exercise, that is question number 5. Again, you have to do a long division. The question says, if the polynomial x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 2x plus 10, minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial. It is divided by another polynomial, x square minus 2x plus k, and the remainder comes out to be, they have also given us the remainder which comes out to be x plus a. You have to find the value of k and a. The question looks little difficult, children, but it is not difficult at all. The question is simple. I just want you to do a long division the way I have taught you and not worry about a and k. Okay, हम long division start करते हैं. X to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. Let's do the long division, then we will come to know कि क्या करना है आगे. Don't just get terrified by the way the question looks. तो पहले x square है, यहाँ पे x की पावर 4 चाहिए, तो x square से मल्टीप्लाई, x की पावर 4, ये आ गया minus 2x cube, ये आ गया plus kx square. Again सारे साइन चेंज and ये कैंसिल, राइट. ये हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? minus 6 plus 2, children. So this is minus 4x cube, गलती नहीं करनी है, plus 16 minus k x square -25x + 10, क्योंकि k तो सब्ट्रैक्ट हो नहीं सकता, वो वैल्यू नहीं है। अब मुझे -4x³ चाहिए, तो -4x से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगी तो क्या आएगा, 4x³, दिस इज माइनस माइनस प्लस, 4 2 ज़ा 8x² -4kx, राइट चिल्ड्रन। अगेन साइन चेंज करते हैं, ये प्लस, ये माइनस, ये प्लस, अगेन कैंसल आउट, सो दिस विल बी 16 माइनस k माइनस 8 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस अंदर क्या बचा -25 प्लस 4k इंटू एक्स प्लस 10. ओके, ट्राई एंड कीप द साइंस प्रॉपरली. नाउ इसको थोड़ा सा सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, तो 18 में से 8 चला जाएगा, तो सॉरी 16 में से 8 चला जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे 8 ही रह जाएगा, राइट, ये नहीं आएगा. ओके, अब मुझे एक्स स्क्वायर के साथ क्या चाहिए, 8 माइनस के. नाउ आई विल मल्टीप्लाइड एक्स स्क्वायर बाय 8 माइनस के. जस्ट रिमेंबर द बेसिक, घबराना नहीं है के देख के. सो दिस प्लस -2 into 8 is -16, -2 into this is plus 2k x, and this is plus 8k minus k into k square. Again let's change the sign, minus 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 plus. Again this gets cancelled, let's just try and simplify this. So ये आएगा -25 plus 4k minus minus plus 16 minus 2k x plus 10 minus 8k plus k square. This is our remainder. ये आगे सॉल्व नहीं हो सकता, राइट चिल्ड्रन. आई होप आप, और आई एम सॉरी, और हमें रिमाइंडर किस फॉर्म में गिवन था, इट वाज गिवन दैट द रिमाइंडर is in this form x plus a. So can I say, इसको थोड़ा सा सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, माइनस दिस, यहाँ पे 4 आया, यहाँ पे 5, 4 + 5 9 हो गया, -9 प्लस 2k इंटू एक्स प्लस 10 माइनस 8k प्लस k स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, रिमाइंडर क्या है, x प्लस a है. तो चेक करो, अगर मैं इक्वेट करूँ बोथ साइड्स, equating both sides children, so can I say both the coefficient, मतलब 9 plus 2k equal है 1k, x का coefficient x के equal होगा, इधर x का coefficient 1 है, so 2k is equal to 1 plus 9, यानी कि k is equal to 10 divided by 2, that is 5. k हमारा 5 आ गया. अब चेक करो, अगर हम बाकी मैच करें तो a is equal to 10 minus 8k plus k square. You can put the value of k here and get a, right? आराम से a आ जाएगा. So see, the technique is same. Only the level of difficulty, the question has the knowledge, the teacher maybe or the person who has made this question is just checking your basic knowledge कि तुम कितने comfortable हो एक कांस्टेंट के, एक अननोन कांस्टेंट के आने के, यानी कि के इसमें अननोन कांस्टेंट था. लॉजिक ऑफ द क्वेश्चन रिमेन्स द सेम. जैसे लॉन्ग डिवीजन हमेशा से फर्स्ट टर्म को कैंसिल करना होता है, लेकिन क्योंकि बीच में के आ गया तो क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा जो डिफिकल्टी लेवल है वो अप हो गया है. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस वाज द क्वेश्चन, व्हाई आई हैड टू, question number 4 and question number 5 were the basically hot question which I wanted to do it. That is why I have completed the entire exercise. क्योंकि क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल के फैक्टराइजेशन तो इतनी नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी आपको बेसिक नॉलेज होनी चाहिए थी. दैट इज वाई.